Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna look at this new wig. But let me tell you something first. I just happened to be looking at this video earlier, and this woman is a YouTuber. She was talking about how she has to go to work and she has things to take care of, so making videos really takes up a lot of her time. And she was basically asking people for money. And you know what she said? She said, I don't want to have to go as far as doing a beauty channel. No one wants to do that. Now don't quote me. She might not have said in those exact words, but she was basically saying she wouldn't stoop to do a beauty channel. And guess what kind of channel she's doing? A gossip channel. But anyway, bump her. Anybody who loves the beauty channels, give this video a thumbs up and comment below, I love beauty channels. But right now, we're gonna check out this new wig that I have. It's a synthetic wig. I haven't done a video like this in a really long time. So if you'd like to see this new wig, stay tuned. And for those of you who are just coming in for the first time, go ahead down and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of good content coming up. Okay, so what we have today is we have the brown sugar BS202, and it's in the color SR4 Gold Blonde. I don't know if you can see it. Basically, it's saying that this is okay, it's soft Swiss lace, and it's made up. I'm sorry guys, I had to put my glasses on. It's a soft Swiss lace, and it's made up of 100% human hairstyle mix compared to the other lace fronts. It's single knotted, hand tied sophisticatedly, and blah blah blah. It's basically 24 inches, and as I said, it's in the color Gold Blonde, SR4 Gold Blonde. So we're gonna just take this out of the package and see what we're working with from the beginning. Anyway, so of course it comes with this. It comes in with the cardboard and the netting. We're gonna just take this netting off, throw it on the floor, and it has the stock card. And the stock card basically has the care instructions. Let me see, I'm wondering if it has the other colors. It doesn't even have the other colors it comes in. But I know it comes in a nice orangey color. Well, you can see it right here. These are the colors. Like a red, orange, and a brown. And as I said, it's 24 inches long. It has this cardboard and paper inside of it. Now let's look at the lace. The lace is the soft lace, thank God. This is how much lace you get. Did you see that? And then it has a part on the side in which I'm surprised. I thought I was going to have to pluck the part. But the part looks really good. I'm going to show you from both sides. See that side? And then you can see it from this side. The lace only goes as far as wide as the part. So you can't make a part anywhere else. But I'm sure you could probably put the part in the middle, or you could put it on the side. Has the regular combs in the front. 2 combs on each side right here. It has a little comb right here next to the part, see? And then it has the comb in the back and the little tag in the back. Okay, I'm gonna take the stock card off and then I'm gonna run my hands through it to see if it sheds. Okay, so we got the stock card off. There's a lot of stuff coming out of here. Those little packets of stuff to make sure your hair doesn't get mildewed from dampness or whatever. Okay, so I have a strand. There's one strand. It's very soft and it's very pretty. It's a really pretty yellowy color. It's a yellow blonde. So you are going to get some shedding. As I said, it's brown sugar. But I'm going to tell you one thing. When you put that word brown sugar in the title on YouTube, they will not let you monetize your videos. I don't know what that is. Anybody know? If anybody knows what that is, please let me know down in the comment section, because I don't know what that is. I'm thinking they think because you're saying brown sugar that it's a sexual video or something, but you know, warp-minded people. Anyway, let's try this on. I can't wait to see how this part is going to be looking. Oh God, there's too many combs to be wearing a cap. So I don't know if you could wear a cap with this, a stocking cap, a wig cap, because it has all these combs in the front. But if you're very careful, you could also cut out the combs if you don't like the combs. Whoa. I'm steady trying to make this part right. It's not bad, but I feel like it needs to go back a little more. I'll say that the cap size is pretty big head friendly, because when I tried to pull it back just now, there was still some room in the cap. Like extra room, like if my head was bigger. Oh wow, I think it's kind of pretty. What do y'all think? Y'all gotta let me know what you think now. I'll be asking a whole bunch of questions and people don't let me know what they think. I gotta know something so I could continue to bring you the kind of content you want. Okay, let's just comb it out some. What do you think? This is the back. The side. Other side. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut this lace off. It's not much lace, but I'm gonna cut it off and see what happens. You know, when we were kids, we hated people who went like this. But now I notice we doing it too. Alright, so I don't know. It just feels like it's too much hair in the front, or it comes down, it comes forward too much or something. I don't know. Maybe once I put some powder in the part. Yeah, I see the bottom gets tangly kind of easy. Let me see what else I could do with this. Thinking about swirling it over to the other side. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Look. If you just pull the whole thing over to the other side. Now this wig was $32.99, but their prices go up and down at samsbeauty.com. You know, sometimes more, sometimes less. Sometimes they have sales. A lot of times they have shipping specials. I think if you purchase anything over $30, if you have over $30 for your total order, they have shipping for $2.99. But they also have a lot of specials like for braiding hair. I love to get my braiding hair there. But anyway, let's just check it out with the powder in the part. I'm just going to use my pressed powder. I use it from BH Cosmetics. I got so many BH Cosmetics. Alright, let's just put this in the part. Okay, so as you can see, without plucking the part, if you use a little concealer or a little powder, you can get away with it. You might want to pluck the part just slightly, but be very careful because, as I said, it is a pretty good part there already, so you won't want to pluck too much. I think I'm just going to pluck a couple of strands, but overall, I think this wig is a nice wig for a blonde wig. A blonde synthetic wig. It's not as long as I expected it to be. I'm gonna stand up a little and let y'all see. So it comes up to my breast. It says it's 24 inches. It seems more like around 21. So, as I said, yeah, it's shedding a lot. It sheds a lot. It sheds more than I expected. Well, I don't know what you consider a lot, but like some of it came out when I cut the lace off. I don't know how, because I never cut my lace so close that I cut the hair. So it's a little sheddy. I can see this being the wig that you wear once in a while when you want to go out and you just want to be blonde, or for those who want to do some role playing, and that's for you men too. If y'all like role playing, you could go and purchase this wig for your wife, your baby mama, or your baby mama. Not to do role playing with your baby mama. But okay. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to tell me what you think about this particular wig down in the comments section, and I'm going to put all this information about the wig in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to come back because we have some really good content coming up, and I'll see y'all later. And if you want to see a specific kind of video that you think I'll be able to do, or that you want me to do for you, let me know down in the description box, and I'll talk to you again. Love you all. Have a good night, day, morning, week. Mwah.